Creatives, it's time for Change Your Thinking July. Instead of, I only did X amount, think, wow, I managed to do X amount in spite of how crazy this day was. Instead of, ugh, that was lousy. I'd rather it exist so I can edit it than it be imagination perfect and not exist at all. Instead of, oh, I'm starting this so late, I should have done this 20 years ago. How about, I'm doing it now? So much of your joy and creativity has to do with the way you're perceiving things, and that is a choice. You can choose to look at everything you do in the worst possible way, or you can choose to look at it truly, which is where you are in life, how you got here, what it cost you to make. These things matter. Remember, your life does not follow the exact same path as someone else's, so your creativity isn't going to follow the same path either. You cannot expect your output to look like someone else's. You are you, and they are they. What you are able to do is what you are able to do, and it costs you. You had to fight to do it. That makes it valuable. Yes, even if it's just a little tiny bit. And yes, even if it's all wrong. Better that it exists and be wrong so that you can fix it and learn than it not exist at all, because that is not moving forward. Creative, take a look at where you're viewing your art in the worst possible light and try to turn it around a little. No regret, no hating what you create. It is a joy and a privilege to be able to make stuff, and your effort counts. Now sit down with me, my joyful creatives, and let's make something new.